This is Omron M4 Intelli IT. As you can see, this is Omron blood pressure monitor with the new model Omron M4. Here in this video I will unbox and will show you the details. As you can see, this is the arm cuff, this is the blood pressure monitor, this is pouch for the monitor, and this is a user manual how to set this device, and if you get any errors please refer to the booklet. Let's install the batteries here. Remove the black fib and install the batteries according to the plus and minus sign exactly. When you remove the batteries, even after using, so the device will be reset and you have to make the proper setting again. Now here, the important settings you need in this device. If you want to make it manually, you can make it. I will show you later in this video. But the best way to make the setting here in this device, I will show you. First, you connect this Omron blood pressure monitor with a smartphone, and the date and time will be automatically synchronized. Press this Bluetooth sign until the P appears on the screen. Then download the app from the Play Store or App Store. The app name is Omron Connect. After this, make profile and settings and enter all the credentials. Then as you can see how you will add the device, you will go here, select your device and connect. You will exactly select the shape of your device. Make sure you keep on the Bluetooth of your smartphone. Through all these process, you will follow instruction from the app in your phone, and as you can see, this will guide you how to synchronize your device with the smartphone. And after that, the date and time will be automatically set, and when you check your BP, so this result will be directly transferred to the smartphone. Now let me show you how to connect here in this. Watch this video carefully. Select the name of your device and follow the further instructions. As you can see, make continue, and from here, from this menu, select your device. Now hold and press this Bluetooth sign until the P appears on the screen. As you can see here, make next from the smartphone. Click the next, and you see here this will start pairing with the device. Now here the user you want to connect with the smartphone, you have to select user 1 or user 2, as this device comes for 2 user, for 2 person of the family they can use, as well as with the guest mode. How to use for the guest mode? Please refer to the user manual. Now let me show you here briefly how to set your device manually without pairing with the smartphone. Press here this Bluetooth sign. As you can see, press it again until the ear appear in the screen. Now from this arrow button, right and left, you can change the year. We will change to 2021. Then you can change the month, exactly as you can see here, and then you can change the day or the date exactly. Press the Bluetooth button to confirm, change the day and confirm with Bluetooth sign. Now confirm the time also. Select your hour first and then minutes and confirm with the Bluetooth sign. It's simple and easy. Keep in mind, when you remove the battery cell from this device, so this reset, and you have to make again the date and time settings. Now let me show you how to take the BP measurement with the Omron M4 Intelli IT. As you can see, wrap the arm cuff around the arm, keep the tube in the middle of your arm, and make sure the cuff is above the elbow at least 1 to 2 centimeter. That's all about. As you can see here, there is a sign on the arm cuff, exactly wrap according to the instruction. Keep 1 to 2 centimeter above the elbow and make sure the tube runs down to the palm in the middle of your arm. Now to measure the BP, press the start button. As you can see, the BP measurement will start automatically, and after a few minutes you will get the BP result in systolic, diastolic and a pulse rate also. This device also detects the motion detection. If there is motion while taking the BP, this will show the motion detection. It shows also the irregular heartbeat. The OK sign on the screen shows your arm cuff is wrapped properly. This will be yellow on the other side if the arm cuff is loosened or fastened too tightly. If there is irregular heartbeat, so there another sign will appear below the systolic and diastolic. Here is no color indicator, same like others Omron devices. As you can see, this is the BP result and the systolic, diastolic and the pulse rate also down. Now as you can see, the BP readings are transferred to the smartphone automatically. This will help your physician to assess and manage your blood pressure. If you want to clear the previous BP readings from your device and make it clean from all readings, so press the start and memory button until 3 seconds. As you can see here, we will hold the start and memory button simultaneously at the same time until this two dots appear on the screen. Now repeat the same procedure again. Press and hold both buttons at the same time until these dots appear again. As you can see here, now you see the lines are stable, it's not blinking, so all the previous data is clear. If you want to reset to the manufacturing settings, so press and hold the Bluetooth and start button. As you can see, press and hold until the clear appear here, but it's blinking now, as you can see. So we will hold again, exactly press and hold both button at the same time until it's become stable. So now the device will reset to exactly the previous manufacturing settings. Please subscribe to the Pharmacist Online. This will be just an appreciation from your side. Thank you so much. Stay safe and healthy.